What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to some more Battle Cats. Today, we are gonna beat Cats Into the Future Chapter 2. Possibly. I'm not sure. This is a really hard level, so let's see if I can do it. Okay, so the strategy I'm bringing is something like this. I don't know if I need a different strategy. Let me know in the comments if you play Battle Cats and have... Alarm clock! That is 2 videos in a row now. Please stop. And, okay, already getting off an Uber, which is good, I think. And, holy! Already dead. That's bad, okay. Well, already off to a good start, I'd say. Let's try that again. Let me have a quick bite on my sandwich. Yummy. Okay. A good plan I've seen on YouTube is to bring mint. Okay, well, I'd say this is going good, I think. Okay, get Cyberpunk. And then I gotta get Halloween! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! There! Now we can start spamming. Okay. What I'm scared about is... Yep. Her. I ain't too happy about this person. This is like the final boss and I hate it. At least I'll be one step closer to getting Awakened Bahamut, which I need for a lot of stages coming up in the future. Get it? Future. I'm so funny. I can't tell if I'm doing anything or if, like, everything's just going down the drain. Fire the cat cannon! Yes! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get a Cyberpunk. Cyberpunk 2.0 and 1.0. Mint, come out, mint. Yep, there we go. Okay. Okay, freeze it. Yes, yes, perfect, perfect. This is going surprisingly well. I'm not sure about it anymore, though. Okay, bring out you, because you can freeze. Freeze them, freeze them, freeze them. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you gotta attack up the... Oh, no. The attack up is the problem here. Wait. They stopped sending out enemies. They stopped with the enemies. No, they didn't. It's fine. We can deal with the little lemur and the dogs. Okay. Fire the cat cannon! Oh my god, we did it! We did it! Oh my god, we did it! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Kill the base! Kill it! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, I did it! And so, the alien empire fell before the power of the cat army. Into the future. Oh no, there's another chapter! All clear bonus special unit. Requires level 2. Oh! Oh! This is it. There. Oh. Whoa! Is that really what Awakened Bahamut looks like? Oh. Hold up, hold up. Mission complete. We got something. Yeah, there we go. Clear chapter 2, and I got 50 cat food. I did not expect to beat it. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, but I think what it means is all the way over here. Yep, evolve. Ta-da! Holy Valkyrie cat, what do you do? You freeze! You freeze at... Oh my... I think I just found my new favorite cat. Okay, well, let's start the new journey, I guess. Oh, we still... Ooh. The good thing is I get to keep my money. Okay. But I want to test out the new Valkyrie here. Soon you will be mine, Awakened Bahamut. Okay. But let's do this. Let's do this. See what's in chapter 1, and let's see. Okay, not too bad. Kinda like get it done. Wait, do you feed... Oh my god, you freeze these guys as well. Get it done, Valkyrie. Oh. Well... I mean... Alright. Now we're going to Korea. Hippopotamus. 3 of them. 4? Nope. Alright, go get it done, man. Yeah, you suck. Get him, Valkyrie. Okay, you also suck. Get him, boys. Just all of you get him. Alright, and we're already done. Man, this is going by really fast. I don't like the sound of that music. That's the problem. I don't like the sound of the music. I feel like we're about to run into some trouble here. It's a good thing I got another unit that can freeze everything. My Valkyrie. She's a goddess. Well, literally. Alright, who's gonna come out of that? Go Reddit. Bruh. Bruh! Bruh! Broski. Okay, doesn't look like Mint is that good to me. But it could also be like they're getting stronger. But I digress. Okay, well, that is a lot of aliens. That is definitely a lot of aliens. And we're done. Ooh, Ooh, ancient tablet. Alright, well, I think that's going to be it for this episode. I'm going to keep grinding Chapter 3, and I'll see you guys when I get to the final boss in, like, a month, probably. See you guys next time.